Courage and dignity and patience in the pain, all in the fear man make vain. Just he has a thinking and tensions of problems. Due to fearfulness, he lost his aim. All of the life, he get many ideas, but he can't make happen till he get in mean. Solutions of problems and tensions is possible. Just a man should try again. We should take lessons from ants and sparrows, whose houses and nests run in the rain. Not a man can build with hopeless and fearfulness. Progress of the world is lesson of his efforts stress strain. A burning child have not lesson from cradle, but all he know when time turns to end.